In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the view of your QuickBooks online banking transactions. Whether you're a business owner, accountant, or someone just getting started with QuickBooks, understanding how to navigate and customize your view can make a world of difference in managing your finances efficiently. Let's dive into the process. To get started, first open your preferred web browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. You'll want to click on the Sign In button. Once there, make sure to select QuickBooks Online from the available options. Remember, the right choice here guarantees that we're accessing the correct platform for our banking transactions. Next, you'll need to enter your credentials. That means typing in your username and password as you would normally. To move forward, hit the Continue button. It's always a good practice to ensure your login details are secure, so if you haven't already, consider using a strong, unique password to protect your financial data. Once you're logged in and you find yourself on the home page, focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu featuring several options. Your target here is the Bank Transactions tab. Clicking on this will take you to the area where you can view and manage all transactions from your connected bank accounts. Now that you're in the Banking Transactions section, glance towards the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll notice a gear icon that represents the settings menu. Click on this icon to reveal more options. Within the settings menu, you'll have the flexibility to toggle between different views. Look for the option that says switch from accountant view to business view and vice versa. This view switch is a powerful feature in QuickBooks because it allows you to customize the layout and content according to your preferences and needs. The accountant view includes details more suited to accounting professionals, while the business view might be more intuitive for general business management. By switching views, you can often find a layout that offers better clarity and usability based on your specific role or preference. Now experiment a bit with each perspective to see which serves you best. Remember, you can always switch back if you change your mind later on. That's it! Now you're all set with the best view for managing your transactions in QuickBooks Online. This ease of navigation can save you time and improve how you oversee your financial data. Feel free to revisit this video as often as you need and share it with anyone else who might find it helpful. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.